In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to bind paddles in Fortnite PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to bind the paddles available on the DualShock 4 back button attachment. Keep in mind that other controllers compatible with the PlayStation 4 will also have back paddles that you can configure and bind freely. But for this video, this is the one that I'm gonna be showcasing, the DualShock 4 back button attachment. If you are using something like a SCUF gaming controller, they will have paddles that you can assign using a specific key at the back that they refer to as the EMR key. I recommend that you look over at their manual, but if you are using one of these controllers, then all that you have to do is set up the controller itself and not change the options inside of Fortnite. You won't be able to configure the paddles inside of the game. So with the DualShock 4 back button attachment specifically, all that you have to do is first make sure that the DualShock 4 controller is turned off. Now, plug the DualShock 4 back button attachment into the controller, and now to actually set it up, tap and hold on the screen that you see. You will be able to configure the profile. You can double tap the screen on the attachment to cycle through 3 default profiles, and like I said, when you hold the screen button for 1 second, you will be able to enter programming mode. Now, if you press the button at the left, you will cycle through all of the options and assign a specific button to the left paddle, and then you can do the same with the right paddle. So cycle through all of the assignments and get the buttons assigned properly to left and right. Tap on the screen again to save the assignment, and now you can use this profile. All that you have to do now is turn on the controller, access Fortnite with the attachment connected, and you will be able to play it using these specific binds on your DualShock 4 controller. If you have something like a SCUF gaming controller like I mentioned, you will have to use the EMR key and press a specific button alongside a specific paddle that you want to bind. I hope I was able to help you on how to bind paddles in Fortnite PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.